back to our channel, Risha Online Preschool.
Okay, in today's video, we are going to teach you about soft C and
hard C.
Okay, so let's begin. Children often have this doubt about when to use the sound S and when to use the sound K for C. So let me explain to you. When C is followed by the vowels E, I and Y, C has S sound, soft C. Apart from these three letters, when C is followed by any other alphabet, it has the hard C sound K. Once again, let me repeat. Soft C. When C is followed by the letters E, I and Y, C has sound. When C is followed by any other alphabet other than E, I and Y, it has the hard C sound K. Okay children, remember only these three letters E, I and Y. When you see C followed by these three letters, remember it has to be pronounced as S. Rest all cases, C has the hard sound K. Let's see some examples now. So here are some examples now. Soft C. I am going to show you some words where C is followed by E, I and Y in the beginning of the word and also in the end of the word. Look here children. You see the letter C. C is followed by letter E. E. When C is followed by letter E, C has the soft sound S. Now how do you have to read this? Sand. C is followed by which letter? I. I here. Then C has the soft S sound. Now come on, read this.
City.
City. Next. C is followed by which letter here?
E.
E. E is there here. Then C has a soft sound. Cell. Civil. Because C is followed by I here. Circle.
Circle.
Now words ending with soft C sound. So C is followed by E. So C has S sound. As in mice. C is followed by letter E. So C has soft S sound. As in eyes. Face. Pencil. These are the words ending in C followed by Y. We have soft C sound as in bouncy, mercy, spicy, fancy. It's not fancy, it's fancy. Because as I said, when C is followed by E or I or Y, C has soft S sound. Now let's see some examples of hard C where C has K sound. So children, here, look here. Here I have few examples for hard C where C has to be pronounced as K sound. Okay. So which letter you have after C?
A.
A. Now check the rule. Should it be the S sound or K sound?
K sound.
Yes, because as you see, any alphabet other than E, I, Y should have the K sound. So now can you read this word children?
Cab.
Cab. It is not sad, it's cab because C is followed by letter A. And this is
Can.
here also it's hard C sound.
Cap.
Hard C.
Car.
Okay.
Camel.
Camel. Camp.
Camp.
Cage.
Cage.
So these are the hard C sounds which are followed by vowel A. And here you have words with vowel O. Cone.
Cone.
This is
Comb.
Very good. So remember only one thing. When C is followed by these three letters E, I and Y, it has soft sound S. Remaining all the letters of English alphabet, C has hard sound K. Isn't it easy to learn soft C and hard C along with us today? We also provide online phonics classes and grammar classes to kindergarten students and grade 1, grade 2 students. We have given the details here on the screen. You can get in touch with us for more details. Till that time, don't forget to
Like, share,
and subscribe to our channel. See you again in the next video.
till then, take care.